Hi, this is Yarrow, and this is the screencast for Project 2, which is an XKCD style password generator. So we're going to go straight to the site here. Pardon the slowness of the internet connection. I've had a really tough time with screencasting software. Downloaded like 9 different ones, and none of them have really worked so far. So hopefully this one will. This is the generator. It's I don't know, black and gray because I'm super goth, I guess. And it's got a little blurb here. It'll generate a pseudo random password from over 300,000 English words, which is true. The text file that I've got is massive. So it's got a lot of medical terminology, and definitely it's got some weird words that come up, which is pretty cool. Um, Character here, number here will, for the purposes of this, do a 3-word password with a character and a couple of numbers. And so here we've got a nice camel case password that is super difficult to crack, and it works really well. So looking into the code, this is our index PHP, and nothing really too interesting here. The only thing that's maybe interesting is this, where the echo uses the UC words function to echo camel case. I figured that's just a better solution than having the site cluttered with the choice of camel case, though, that would be really easy. It'd just be another if condition in the logic page, which is right here. So going through the logic, we've got setting up an array, opening and reading the file. I don't know what these blue dots are. Opening and reading the file, setting up. I thought it would be some globals. These blue dots are killing me. Sorry. Just turned out to be one global in the front, which is the actual count of the words in the text document. And then we've got the beginning of sanity checks for the input, which is basically anything that's not a digit 0 to 9 gets replaced with nothing. Um, and if strlen how many is less than 2, we enact the program, and if it's not, then we return an error. So that's pretty much it. The characters are here. The arrays, rather, for characters and numbers. I could have done a dynamically generated array for those, but I didn't. I felt like hard coding was a perfectly good solution, given that, n was never higher than 9 on those, or 10. Yeah, we go through for how many, blah, blah, blah. The HTML checking is actually pretty cool. So I set a max attribute on the number, and it kind of does this, which makes me feel a little bit more secure as far as the error checking, the sanitation is concerned. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. The code's really clean. There's not a lot of repetition, and that's it. I appreciate your coming through and checking out my site, and I have no idea how to stop this. Yes, I do. All right, cool.